Friends, you know that you are spending a lot of time in traveling from home to office, office to home, and sometimes to your relatives and your clients. Almost every day you are spending as much as 5 hours in traveling, which is equivalent to almost half a day of your productive time. But you can use your traveling time more smartly. Let me tell you how. Number one, you can use your travel time for listening the podcast, where you can listen to the daily news, and also you can also watch some motivational and educational videos on YouTube. Number two, you can also make lots of phone calls while sitting on the back seat of the car to your friends, to your clients, and also to your relatives. Number three, very importantly, while sitting on the back seat also you can check your emails, you can look at your WhatsApp messages, as well as you can read lots of book articles. So try these tips and become super productive.